shadows fall in a crowded room. Quiet steps in a subtle tune. Eyes turn slow as the curtain lifts. Truth moves in with a gentle shift. Breath held tight in a fragile space. Light revealing what time erased. Nothing stays in the dark too long. Even silence has its own song. When the veil slips away in the open air, all that's hidden its place laid bare. Through the stillness a new view starts. Let the truth move through the deepest part. Soft winds rise in the turning hour, changing forms with a quiet power. Every moment a chance to see. Layers fall to set things free. Stories rise from the quiet deep. Dreams awake that were left asleep. Clarity in the shifting light, guiding paths through the longest night. When the veil slips away in the open air, all that's hidden finds its place laid bare. Through the stillness a new view starts. Let the truth move through the deepest part. We begin again.